Macy getting waxed by
Ow!
Okay.
Ow!
Holy crap. Macy, your turn.
Ouch.
Okay. Now, this one's probably gonna hurt.
Oh, that didn't hurt.
Okay, good. This one will.
Oh. Ouch! That hurts so
I
bad.
It's okay. Shh, you're gonna be okay.
Ow. Ow. Oh, back on this
Oh,
side.
that's perfect. Oh, yeah, I like the light.
Oh, man.
That was a little bitty one.
Oh, man. That hurts so bad.
Oh, this one probably will. No, maybe not. I don't know. Just stay still.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, Macy, you're such a retard.
She's such a dramatic person.
Ouch.
Just kidding.
Oh,
It doesn't
man.
even hurt. I think it feels good.
Why do you think it feels good?
Oh, this hurts so much.
Because I do it so much.
I think the wax feels good. Except when they pull it out.
Ouch.
Okay, I have to admit, I did that one just for fun. Sorry. Oh yeah, keep the light right there.
Ouch. 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 I can't even do the tweezers right.
You keep moving your head. Okay, put the light back. Okay, gotta see the hair. It's like a surgical.
Ow. Well, so keep the light off. That hurts.
No, it helps
Ouch.
me. It helps me.
Ouch.
Okay, hold on. This is gonna.
Ah.
Maisie has sparklies.
Ow. Ow.
No, you're such a wimp. It's so weird up close. You can see all these hairs, but when you're like, in
Ow. Ow. Ouch. Ow. Ah. Ouch.
Okay, dust it off.